Hello everyone, this is a video of a leather seat repair on a Subaru Outback. You can see here that the tear, I guess, got worse over time, probably just from getting in and out of the car. So in this video you'll see me first actually removing some nano tape that I used initially when the repair was kind of small, or actually rather the damage was small. And so I'm taking that all off and I'm trying to line everything up and getting all the pieces together. So once that's all done, now I take this rubber contact cement and basically apply it to both sides and make sure that it dries before I actually squeeze it down. So the first step is I'm actually applying it to the seat padding, then I'm actually applying it to the back of the leather. And you notice I kind of wait until that's all done. These little tiny sliver pieces that came about were kind of difficult. And now I'll start to apply, since it's dry, on this very sped up video, and try to fill in the little cracks wherever I can. Have little tweezers to try to get into some tight spots. Do be careful to clean up any excess, and hopefully this result will hold. I'll let you know over time. And I may also buy one of these patch kits to kind of cover the top parts. I'm hoping that the kits can fill in the voids in between these repairs. Thanks.